Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Skullcandy earbuds, quick fix step by step clearly. To connect your Skullcandy earbuds, first, ensure they are charged. Locate the power button on your earbuds. Press and hold the power button until you see a blinking LED light. This indicates that your earbuds are in pairing mode. Next, open the Bluetooth settings on your device. On most devices, this can be found in the settings menu. Look for the Bluetooth option and ensure it is turned on. Now, scan for available devices. You should see your Skullcandy earbuds listed. Select your earbuds from the list to initiate pairing. If prompted, enter the default passcode, which is typically 0000 or 1234. Once connected, you will hear a confirmation sound in the earbuds. Your Skullcandy earbuds are now successfully connected. To disconnect, go back to your Bluetooth settings and select your earbuds. Then choose the option to disconnect or forget the device. If you encounter any issues, make sure your earbuds are in pairing mode. Also, verify that your device is within range. Now you're ready to enjoy your audio experience with your Skullcandy earbuds. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.